Hi, I'm Rochelle with GRONOMICS, and I'm going to show you how to assemble the wedge. It couldn't be easier. After you've removed all of your pieces from the box, you want to start with your tool-free assembly. First, you just connect the legs. Once you get the legs set up, then you start assembling the middle part. You just take the pieces of wood, and they fit in from smallest to largest, right in the base. With no tools, it takes just a matter of minutes. After the entire base is set up, you can start doing the side panels. You just fit the grooves. And just like that, in only minutes, you're almost done. It's time to wrap up your finishing touches with a few twists and turns. Then you add your landscaping liner. And like we said, in minutes, we're done.